marshmallowy brownies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Haley is the best baker in the world. Hey, hey, hey. You don't know how I know that. Let's start off with our brownies. We're gonna preheat our. And to make our brownies, we're gonna start off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna mix together our half a cup of vegetables. I forgot to tell you, in this bowl we have our brownie mix. So just don't look at the oil and pretend I haven't added it yet. So that we're gonna mix in our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can see that. Our 3 tablespoons, don't spill it. Our 3 tablespoons of water. 1 pinch of salt. This is to balance out all the sweetness. Make sure you get hefty amounts, but not too much salt. We don't want to taste too salty. And our chocolate. So we have 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate and a 1/4 cup of dark chocolate. And now we're gonna stir it all together. Everything. Make sure it's just well combined. And there's no like flour pockets of that mix that you see like you see right now. So obviously you have to keep mixing. Just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. And this is brownie mix. I don't think it's like the same texture as cake mix. So it's not gonna be like as wet and stuff. It's gonna be have a more drier consistency to it. And brownies, they're like delicious. And these brownies are gonna be super duper chocolatey. They like melt in your mouth. And with the marshmallows and everything, it's gonna be really good. And guys, who makes brownies without eggs? So, that was awkward, but forget about that. We're gonna add in our 2 eggs. And we're just gonna mix that and pretend like we added it in all along. Okay. No wonder this seemed so dry. I forgot. Oh geez. I knew something was wrong. Maybe I didn't add enough water, but then I noticed eggs. Because like you add eggs to everything. So how could you not add it to brownies? Oh, okay. So then our brownie mix is ready. We're gonna prep our pan, and here I have parchment paper. And just in case, we don't want it to stink at all, so we're just gonna spray it. I keep forgetting I have to do it in the sink, but forget that. So we're just gonna spray it everywhere so that it doesn't stink. We do not want it to stink, because then we're not gonna be able to taste it. It's just gonna be a whole mess. And here we preheated our oven to 350 degrees. And I'm just gonna pour it in here with our superhuman strength that we're gonna get from eating the brownies, even though we haven't eaten the brownies yet. Anywho, this is kind of slow. Look at how it glistens though. It's gorgeous. It's heavy. Any help? Help! We have our brownie mix in the pan. We're just gonna move it to spread it evenly around. Guys, while our oven is preheating, I'm gonna teach you how to speak as if you are in the 1500s. So basically, all you have to do is add TH at whatever word you're gonna say. So, for example, this brownie is RS needed to go into the oven. See? That means brownies need to go into the oven. Into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And we're adding our marshmallows so that it becomes nice and chewy and like delicious and soft and marshmallowy with that nice chocolate brownie flavor with chocolate chips. It's gonna be delicious, and this is going back to the oven for 5 to 8 minutes. And brownies. Okay, we have our brownies out of the oven with the marshmallows, and it's cooled down. Take it out. I did not think this through. No one is gonna know. And now, come take a close look. And now we're cutting up our brownies. Look at how marshmallowy these marshmallows are. I'd be worried if there weren't marshmallowy because they're marshmallows. And now, my favorite part and Chase's favorite part. Chase, are you ready to try the brownie?
Yes!
Ready? Open. Oh wow, he just gulped that down. How does it taste?
Yummy.
That means delicious, and Haley, you're the best person ever. If you like this video and if you love my brother, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye-bye.